Today, we are kicking it up a notch with this chicken caprese salad. Its crunchy fresh lettuce is loaded with grilled chicken, fresh avocado, tomatoes, and of course, cheese. All tossed with a sweet, tangy, homemade balsamic vinaigrette. This salad takes less than 10 minutes to prepare, which makes it perfect for lunch or an incredibly yummy and fresh dinner. I think it's time we get started, don't you? Here I have some hearts of romaine that I've washed and dried, but you could use pre-chopped lettuce if you prefer. I'm going to give this a coarse chop and then toss it into a large serving bowl. Next, I'm going to halve my grape tomatoes and add them to the bowl. I have a ripe avocado that I'm going to pick and slice up. For the cheese, I'm going to add some mini fresh mozzarella balls. If you can't find those, use mozzarella cubes or your favorite cheese. Really, anything goes. Versatility in most recipes is my motto. Oh yeah, and black olives because, well, my daughter loves those. So here I have a large piece of chicken breast that I roasted in the oven last night. Or you can buy a rotisserie chicken and use some of that meat for this recipe. It's all about what works best for you. I usually cook extra chicken and use it anywhere from tacos to salads like this one. And what's a caprese salad without fresh basil? I'm going to give these fresh basil leaves a good coarse chop. I highly encourage using fresh basil, not dried, because it adds a ton of fresh flavor. It's already looking so good, but we can't forget about the dressing, and my homemade balsamic vinaigrette doesn't get any easier to make. In a small lidded jar, I'm going to combine some olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, salt, and black pepper. Seal the lid and shake. That's it! Such an easy way to make salad dressing. Plus, you can store it in the fridge as is. So if you want to make this entire salad ahead of time, you can totally do that. Prep the dressing and refrigerate it and add the avocado last minute. Doesn't it look beautiful? But today we're gonna go ahead and pour our dressing over the salad and toss all this goodness together. Make sure all the veggies and chicken are coated with the dressing. And finally, my favorite part is to eat it. Let's plate some and taste. How could something so simple taste so good? You guys, it's refreshing, it's crunchy, filling from the chicken and the avocado and the cheese. You've got to give this recipe a try. If you like this recipe, make sure you check out the description box right below with all the measurements, especially for the dressing. And while you're down there, click on that red subscribe button. A new recipe video comes out every single week. See you next time.